Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For any of you that are new here, my name is Amber. Today I'm doing a collab video with one of my friends here on YouTube, Jess over from JESS Does Things. We are both going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how to stay productive with being a stay-at-home mom with little kids or just kids in general. So I'm gonna share 5 tips, and then I want you guys to head over to Jess's channel when you're done watching my video to get 5 more tips to see what she does to stay productive. And she's also not only just a stay-at-home mom, but she's a homeschool mom. So I give her even more props because it's hard for me to stay productive just being a stay-at-home mom to little kids, not to mention having to add on homeschooling as well. So any of you that are homeschooling mamas, I give you guys mad props because I don't know if I could do it. I love watching everyone else do it, but I don't know if I'm set up for it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna insert just a little clip showing you a little bit of her page and her videos, etc. And I would love it if you guys would head over to her channel, say hi, check out and see some of her tips. As soon as you're done watching my video, all of her channel information will be linked down in the description box. So I would appreciate it so much if you guys would head over there. And if you are coming over from Jess's channel, hello, I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my family over here. I have some playlists set up, so get comfortable, scroll through some of these playlists to get to know us a little bit, and I hope you guys decide to stick around with us. So we're gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna share with you the 5 things that I do to stay productive. I don't have it all together. I don't pretend to have it all together. Some days I don't. For any of you that have been on my channel from the beginning or just kind of joining along, I use the term hot mess a lot because my life is a hot mess most of the time, but it is what it is. We have our moments. There's good days, there's bad days. So I'm gonna share with you on a good day, how I can stay productive and get through my day and feel accomplished at the end of it. Number 1, the first thing that I've learned to do over time, especially now that I am a stay-at-home mom, is to designate tasks for certain days. So this goes into not trying to do everything all in one day. If you can, props to you, but I feel like it makes me not feel so overwhelmed when I designate certain tasks for certain days. So for any of you that also have known and watched my laundry routine, I recently decided to start trying to do laundry every day. Before, I used to just let it build up and I would set it for like a certain day and it would drive me crazy and then I wouldn't go through and finish it. So now I'm trying to just do it daily, and then each day, like for cleaning, for example, I'll say, okay, on Monday, this is the day that I'll focus on my kitchen, get it cleaned up from the weekend because being at home with the kids and my boyfriend, he's off on weekends, so the kitchen gets pretty messy. And then on Tuesdays, I might choose Tuesday to be another day to do something little by little. So that way I don't feel like every day I'm just consumed and drowning in like housework or anything else. I just designate a certain day for it. And if I get it done, I get it done. Number 2, dedicate an hour for yourself. So whether this is you waking up in the morning or at nighttime. So for me, from the hours of 8 to 9, by 8 o'clock, I try to have my kids in bed on a good day. And if I do, from 8 to 9, I'll use that time to just kind of unwind and just relax to myself, because 9 times out of 10, the whole day, I'm just running around with like a chicken with my head cut off. So I never really get that time during the day with my kids and everything that's going on to actually just have some time for myself. And it's so important for you to just have 1 hour to yourself. Whether that's going through your phone, catching up on YouTube stuff, or any of my fellow YouTube mamas, anything that's work related, or just trying to read a book, taking a bath, watching a TV show that, I don't know about you, I can't watch TV during the day with my kids because they take over every TV, and we literally have a TV probably in every house. We have a TV in every room, and my kids manage to have something of theirs on it. So just having that hour a day for myself is important, and it helps me just stay productive, and I kind of recap on the day and go over anything that I didn't do for the day. Maybe I need to carry that on to the next day. Number 3, this is one of my favorite things. Take advantage of nap time, you guys. When your kids are sleeping, that is your time to do what you need to do. And not even just nap time. If they're busy or occupied with something, go wipe it down on the counter. Go put the dishes in the dishwasher, sweep the floor, fold your laundry that you've been staring at like me most of the time. Just whenever they're sleeping or just occupied, use that time to do some of the things that you need to do. That goes into if you had any daily tasks that you kind of set for yourself for the day. Use that time when they are sleeping or busy to be productive. Number 4, get them involved. So if you have little ones like me, my oldest, he'll be 5 today when this video posts. Happy birthday to my baby. But I try to get them involved, make a game out of it. I know when he hears the word cleaning or pick up, he tries to run to the nearest place that he can hide. But I try to just get them involved with it so you don't feel so overwhelmed all the time. So whether if it's just having them pick up 3 toys, because you know, little kids, a lot of times they don't do much, but just trying to get them involved. And it's also teaching them, hey, you made a mess, let's pick it up together. Make it a game, you know, like whoever can pick up the toys the fastest. I do that with my kids a lot. I time them and say whoever can pick up a toy the fastest, they'll get like a sucker or something. And they like it, and they don't see it as just cleaning. And they're still young anyways, so they don't really know that it's a chore or anything like that. But just try to get them involved, make it fun, so that way you're not only just teaching them to be responsible for their messes, but it's also taking a little bit off of yourself. Number 5, the last tip that I have for you guys that will I feel like this is probably the best tip out of all of them. It's helped keep me moving and productive, especially for the next day. So at the end of the day, remember that what you do is enough. So if you were only able to do 1 load of laundry and you didn't fold the other basket, or you made chicken nuggets for lunch 3 days in a row, whatever you did is enough. We're sometimes so hard on ourselves, and I feel like that makes us get overwhelmed, and then we're less productive, especially going into the next day. If we're just like, oh, if you look at all the things that you didn't do versus what you were able to do. That was a big thing for me at first that I struggled with, but now I just take it as, hey, I made my list for the day. I know my tasks that I need to do. Whatever I do at the end of the day, that was enough. I did something. So that way the next morning, I'm starting off fresh, and I'm not, you know, making myself so stressed out over what I didn't do yesterday. So those were my 5 tips to help me stay productive, being a stay-at-home mama, because it's crazy, it's hard. We have our good days, we have our bad days. There's some days I want to cry, there's some days I just want to laugh for no apparent reason. But at the end of the day, we're doing the best that we can, and that's all that matters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some use out of some of these tips. You know, let me know in the comment section what's some of the things that you do to stay productive. If you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home working mom or just a stay-at-home wife, whoever, this doesn't have to pertain to just us mamas. What do you do that keeps you productive every day? Also, don't forget to head over to Jess's channel. Tell her I said hello. Check out her 5 tips as well to get some more productivity tips, because we all could use them. I know I'm open for more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Today I'm doing a collab video with one of my friends here on YouTube, Jess from JESS Does Things. We are going to be sharing with you 5 tips. Is a collab video with one of my friends here on YouTube from JESS Does Things. That sounded stupid.